Hello girls and boys, welcome back to Fine Light Garage Night. So this week I'm going to be doing the welding on the floor. I've got two brackets to put on, which are the tramp bar brackets, and then once we've done that we can get it all seam sealed and we can give it 2 coats of Gravitex. First coat will be white, second coat will be grey, and then it will be painted with B5 diamond white, and then that's ready to come off the jig then after that, and we can start on with the rest of the car. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Well, there she is, off the jig now, on the floor. There's the wee quarter panels as well on there. I might still have some footage on that. I need to check my phone, my old phone, and see if I can find that and maybe put an episode of doing that. So, and inside the car, you can see it's all seam welded as well. Or puller welded and then seam sealed, sorry, that's all done. And the tunnel too, and the piece there for the gearbox, because it has the 4-speed rocket box, which is slightly back, a bit more like the Pinto, and then the brackets which are here for the gearbox mounts. I took those off, obviously because they're in position for a standard Escort, so I took those off, and I do have a picture of the engine and gearbox in. Just a mock up, just to make sure I was getting that done right, so you'll probably see that as well, hopefully. And what else have we done? On the engine bay, as you can see, this is probably about 90% finished now in here. So we've got all the gussets as well in the corners, the strengthening gussets in here. The heater bowl's all in, the washer bottle bracket, that's all done, and also the piece for the battery, so that's all in. I might need to tweak it at the bell housing here just a wee bit. As you can see, probably on that side there, I've managed to lock it a wee bit But before I paint it, obviously I'll put the engine back in again just to make sure I've got plenty of clearance. I'm sure I have, but I just want to make sure on that. And that's me starting on one of the doors, which you can see. These are all the wee crimp marks where I've been using the hammer and dolly all along this side here. So I've been finishing that off. I think this is the worst of the two, so that's probably a couple of days work in that. And then going forward, yes, that's some mess up there. That's full of dents. I've been trying to get them all out and it's just been a nightmare, so I'm thinking about just biting a bullet and getting a new roof. So, but she's coming along, and you can see underneath, that's the floor, that's the floor all in as well, and the back panel. So yeah, not much to do now. Yeah, so I think that's most of the that's the welder complete now. That's it. That's a solid shell, and all done and dusted. So it's just a prep work now, which, you know, I absolutely detest it doing that. But you know, there's not a lot to be done on it, I must admit. It's just a wee bit here and there. And on a good note, I've got the underfelts came today for the pickup. So maybe next week we can crack on putting the underfelt, the carpets in the pickup as well, and also let you see it running for the first time. What else have I got to do to that? I am needing some new glass for it as well, windscreen and side glass and that. But I've decided just to use what I've got just now, and then obviously see what happens for this lockdown stuff. And if we can get out this summer, then I'll just bite the bullet and get all the new glass, and we can put that in before I take it out. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next week. Bye bye for now. Bye.